To create these really fun puff stitches, those textural stitches, what I'm going to do is wrap my yarn over the hook, insert my hook into the second stitch from the previous puff. If you're just starting your row, that'll be into the very first stitch, and draw up a loop. Then I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into that same hole, yarn over and draw up a loop. Then I'm going to yarn over my hook again. I have 6 loops on my hook at the moment. I'm going into that stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. I now have 7 loops on my hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn over my hook and bring that new yarn over through all 7 of those stitches to create the puff. Then I am going to chain 1 to pull it all together and to accommodate for skipping this stitch. And I'm going to start my next one here. So yarn over, in the stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, in that same stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, into that same stitch, draw up a loop. So I have 7 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 7, and then chain 1 and repeat. And those are the puffs. Happy crocheting!